Welcome to the science adventure. What a thrilling journey we're about to embark on. Just outside your door, there's a world teeming with life, full of fascinating secrets waiting to be discovered. Today, our adventure begins with the green wonders we often overlook. Plants. They might seem ordinary, they hold extraordinary secrets. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of the plants right in our own backyards? Grab your explorer hats and let's get started. Did you know that plants are like little factories? They make their own food using sunlight. This amazing process is called photosynthesis. Let's see how it works. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of plants, where sunlight, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air come together in a truly magical way. The sunlight works as a sort of power source, energizing the water and carbon dioxide to create glucose, which is a type of sugar that plants use for energy. But that's not all. As a byproduct of this process, plants also produce oxygen, which they then release into the air. This oxygen is vital for us as we need it to breathe. In essence, plants are constantly working to keep our air supply fresh and clean. Isn't that cool? Plants help keep our air fresh. Now let's try a fun activity to see how important sunlight is for plants. For this activity, you'll need two plants of the same kind. Place one in a sunny spot and one in a dark room. Over a week, observe what happens. Let's set this up. It's like a science showdown between light and dark. You'll notice as days pass, the plant in the sun continues to reach up, while the one in the dark may not fare so well. This is because sunlight is a key ingredient for photosynthesis. Make sure to check on your plants every day and note any changes. We'll check back on ours too. While our plants are soaking up the sun, let's talk about why plants are so important. From the tallest tree to the smallest blade of grass, plants play a vital role in our world. They are the lungs of our planet, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen, which we all need to survive. They're also nature's grocery store, providing us and countless animals with the food we need. Plus, they're like nature's air conditioning system, helping to cool our planet by absorbing carbon dioxide. Not only do they give us oxygen, but they also provide food and homes for many animals. Plus, they can even cool down our planet by absorbing carbon dioxide. Let's play a quick quiz. What do plants need to perform photosynthesis? Is it A, candy, B, sunlight, C, paint? Shout your answer loud and clear. Did you say B, sunlight? If so, you're absolutely right. A big applause to all the budding scientists out there. Remember, plants are fascinating beings, and they need our love and care. Thank you for joining me today in our backyard science lab. Keep an eye on your plants, and we'll revisit our experiment next time to see the results together. Bye for now. If you enjoyed our little backyard adventure today, why not become a part of our KidsonBlock family? It's really simple. Just hit that like button if you had fun learning about photosynthesis. Want your friends to join the fun too? Go ahead and share this video with them. And don't forget the most important part. Click on that subscribe button. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our exciting experiments and quizzes. Plus, you'll be the first one to see the results of our sunlight and plants experiment when we revisit it in our next video. So, what are you waiting for? Like, share and subscribe to KidsonBlock. Let's continue our journey of learning and discovery together. Until next time, keep exploring.